So, as you can see, this is going to be a pretty interesting unboxing. The silver lining is that this package actually came earlier than anticipated. But if this would have arrived any later, I think there wouldn't have been an unboxing to film, because this box, as you can see, is already open. So off rip, as you can see, packaging came damaged. The shoebox itself is damaged. And then I got this comment, so shout out to bro for giving me the heads up. I never owned this particular shoe, so I don't know what to look for. I don't know if it's true to the OG or not. But I guess we'll see how it goes. See, I didn't even need a knife for this unboxing. Wow. Okay, luckily for Adidas, I plan on putting these in one of those cases. I have a spot for them already because I really wanted this shoe. I was anticipating it, but I did file a claim. So for me to go to the authorities, you know, it was serious. So I don't know what's going to happen with it, but I had to let somebody know that this is crazy. Okay, the shoe seems to be unscathed. So let's go ahead and get these out the way. The box is trash anyway. So we have the Adidas Crazy 98. And like I said, I've never owned this shoe. Didn't know what to expect. But, you know, off rip, they look pretty good to me. Bro, if you're watching this, please chime in the comments to let me know what I'm missing. For those that do not know, Kobe was signed to Adidas. And this was one of the pairs that he wore before he got his signature shoe. And this is the Laker away colorway. You know, back then it was mostly black and white. And then you might get like a pop of color in there. So you get the little purple in here. So let's start with the materials. So on the upper, you get like this nylon material, black nylon. I'm not sure if that was like true to the OG or not. But you do get like this see-through underlay, and you get the 3 stripes on the lateral and the medial side. Also get like this plastic transparent piece right here. You also see the 3 stripes at the bottom. You know, it's a weird design element in my opinion, but hey, I like the shoe overall, so that didn't sway me too much. You get some tumbled leather. The quality is not... You know, it's cool. You know, it's a retro Adidas model, so I don't expect plush leather, but you know, it is a basketball shoe at the end of the day, so I guess you want something a little sturdy if you're going to be hooping in these. But of course, I'm going to wear these casually. And then you get a little piece of nubuck right here on the toe. Like when I say a piece of nubuck, it's literally a piece right here on the toe cap. You get the Adidas logo right here. You get a nice little neoprene booty, but it's not detached. It's like sewn into it, so that's kind of weird. And you get your Adidas equipment right here. A pop of yellow or gold would have been a nice touch. This neon green doesn't really make sense to me personally, but like I said, there's a retro Adidas, they're gonna do what they want to do. You get this nice Adidas logo up here with, you know, plastic. It's like a 3D, so that's kind of cool. I do like the Adidas patch on the tongue. You get that purple and white, well, purple and silver, I should say, purple and chrome. You get the Feet You Wear logo right here. Shout out to the person in the last video that corrected me, because I had no idea what this was. So the Feet You Wear logo is on the tongue. You get your typical torsion system for the outsole. You know, black hits the purple right here with the Adidas logo, as well as the traction pods. You get a little white here on the outsole as well, or midsole. And you get another Feet You Wear logo blacked out right here on the medial side. I mean, like, there's not too much to say about these. It's one of those shoes, like, if you want them, I would go get them. You might be able to catch them on sale. I know a lot of people went crazy for these. I was not anticipating that. Luckily, BSTN dropped these a little earlier than Adidas and the rest of like the U.S. retailers did. So I went ahead and got it out the way because I didn't want to wait around for the U.S. release because, you know, it gets crazy with the box and everything. But I knew nobody really cared about these in the middle of the day. So shout out to BSTN for the fast shipping, even though we had a casualty. So maybe fast shipping isn't the best way to go. Overall, I'm satisfied with this shoe. I know that's going to change once I see everything that they did wrong on this particular pair compared to the OG. But, you know, to the naked eye, man, somebody that never owned the shoe. I mean, it's decent. It's not the best quality. I don't see too many QC issues, so that's a plus in my book. Looks like a solid, you know, solid shoe. No blemishes that I can see off rip. No glue stains, you know. Everything lines up correctly. But I'm definitely anxious to see what went wrong. I'm pretty sure like this color right here shouldn't be there. I'm guessing. It don't really show up in the pictures. Maybe if I can find some on-foot pics of Kobe wearing these, I can do like a comparison while I'm editing to see exactly where the discrepancies are. But overall, you know, I'm not mad at them. Other than, you know, the shipping fiasco. But I can't let that, you know, I don't want that to take away from the overall shoe. Because I am excited to get this shoe finally. I'm on a quest to collect every Kobe that was made. So I'm getting there with the Adidas Kobe's. Still got a little ways to go, but we'll get there when we get there, you know what I'm saying? It's a marathon, not a race. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know if you cared about the shoe, if this was not even on your radar, you didn't know they were dropping, you think this is ugly. All comments are welcome down below. But as a Kobe fan, I'm excited to have these, yeah. So